All right, so we have now this set up with our database. We're going to do some joins. We're going to look at thinking in sets. Thinking in sets is like the most important thing. You're going to see why it's important. Okay, and let's say I want to select some of everything. And I don't want to type this out because I'm going to have all kinds of typos because I'm not working in an editor. But I'm going to grab this pre-written query, and then we're going to understand it. So I paste it in. Now I just have a tremendous amount of records. I've got 1,000 records, 845 records. And I paste it in, and what is it doing? We have select recipe title right here from recipes, recipe class description right here, recipe sequence number right here, ingredient name right here, measurement description right here, from recipes right here, as are inner join recipe classes right here, as RC, on r.recipe class ID, this one, and RC recipe class ID, this one. So here's our first, there's 3 sets of data here. One set of data is recipes, one set of data is recipe classes, and another set of data is everything that's highlighted in blue. We got that first set, right? The place that they share in common, that's an inner join. When we get that first set, the stuff highlighted in blue, we are now going to inner join this set of data to this set of data. We're going to inner join this set of data, the data that was returned from that conjunction, inner join, whatever, right there, to this set of data. And then we're going to do that, so recipe ingredients, we're going to do that from recipe ID to recipe ID. So recipe ingredients RI on recipe r.rid, recipes.rid, equals RI, recipe ingredients, recipe ID. When we do that, we're going to get this set of data. Right? This set of data was created by doing a join on this set of data and this set of data. And when we did that, we got this set of data. Now that we have that set, this is thinking in sets. Now that we have that set of data, all of that, we're going to join that on ingredients. Right? So we got this big set of data, which was like everything here from our joins between all that. Okay? We got that big set of data, and now we're going to join that on ingredients. So we're going to join whatever. We're going to join that now I'm paying for entering all those records. We're going to join this set of data to ingredients, which is right here. And then when we do that, we're going to get this set of data. So this set of data is ingredients, recipes, recipe classes. After all of those operations right there, we get a set of data, and we're going to join that to measurements, that set of data. So we're joining this set of data to that set of data. And then so we join it, and then we order by. We order by. So that's how we do our join. But we know that in each of those tables there are records which aren't connected to anything. So we'll see how to start changing that inner join to left join or something. It helps some people to put parentheses around this stuff. We're going to look at that first. So our first set of data is from here to here. That's our first set of data. Let me color code it for you. There is our first set of data. Will this work? I guess we'll go left to right. That's our first set of data. Okay, when we get that set, we're going to do another set of data. None of those are good colors. Here's our next set of data. Right? So we get this set of data, and then we join it to this set of data on those things. So here's our next set of data. Everything from blue to blue. And now we're going to take that set of data and we're going to join it to this set of data right there. And we're joining on that. So let me do that. So now we have this set of data, and we are going to join it to this set of data on this. That works.
Yeah, you can't read it from here. It needs to be dark.
So you just have to remember, look, we're creating sets of data. There's a set of data. Now we're going to join it to this next set of data. And that gives us a set of data. Now with that set of data, we're going to join it to this next set of data. And that gives us a set of data. And with that set of data, we're going to join it to the next set of data. Thinking in sets, okay? So now we could do things like let's just work with what we got. What if I want to see here, we'll do it here. We'll just modify this one. What if I want to see the recipe classes? Let's do this in the next video.